Okay, so good afternoon, good evening, good morning if you're watching this session later. From all of us, the SSC oliveboard team, to all of you watching this live or later, and there's a big surprise for you. There's a big surprise for you revealing pretty soon that will be available tomorrow for all of you. But yes, would love to say one thing at the beginning. There are many channels across YouTube, there are many platforms across the I should say the App Store, Play Store, which provide education, which provide classes for all the students out there preparing for different competitive examinations. But I think there are very few channels, there are very few apps that provide education for different competitive examinations in English. And when it comes to English in English, that is available. But when it comes to all the subjects in English, that means reasoning, quants, GAGS, and English in English. And I'm talking about not just the content, but also the explanation in English. They are very, very, very few. Olive Board takes care of all these things. And here we have that surprise that will be revealed pretty soon. Before that, would love to mention that for 2025 examinations, because for 2024 examinations, we have courses going on lineup. We have the CGL course for tier 1 that is almost about to finish because the exam is almost about to start. We have the CGL 2 course, tier 2. We had, I should say, the English medium one. Yes, we had the English medium one in which the students were getting all the subjects in English, just the content, the explanation also in English. We had the course for tier 1 that is also lined up for tier 2 as well. But here is something I must mention, quite beneficial for those who are from South India that are willing to learn English and the other subjects in English, and for those also from North India or any part of the nation that are willing to learn all the subjects in English. Here's this foundation course that is going to be the English medium batch 1.0 Mission 2025 starting 30th of September 2024. I repeat, this is going to be an English medium batch in which you'll be getting all the subjects in English. That means not only just English, but also maths, reasoning, GAGS in English. And I don't think so I should reveal the surprise. I'll go to my other teammates who will be a part of this. They'll be teaching the best they can, and keywords here that the content and the explanation both are going to be in English. There's much more for all of you. Let's head on to Shefali ma'am. She'll be taking care of GA and GS. Some words from her side. Ma'am, up to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Hello, students. So, welcome to all on SSC Coaching by Olive Board. And yes, we are launching a SSC Foundation English Medium batch. So, first of all, the term as suggests that this is a foundation batch. That means each and every concept we will cover, the lectures will be in a detailed format. So, this will be this batch starts from 30th September. This is your English medium batch and completely for the English medium students, right? As Kapil sir told you. So basically, this course contains 300 plus live classes. The medium will be completely English, concept with previous year questions, basics to advanced level, as this is a foundation course. So definitely we will start the topic with a very basic part and then after end that particular topic at the advanced level, right? And you can also attempt 250 plus tests with the AI analysis as well as 100 typing tests if required. And the price of the test is basically the course is 1199, but definitely you'll get some discount as Teachers Day is around the corner. Let's basically move to the Vipin sir and
First of all, congratulations to all students who belong to the Seven Sisters and especially the student who belong to the South, because they feel that they are deprived from the course part because they don't get the explanation in English part. So that's why they are not able to prepare for the SSC exam in a systematic and proper way. So very thanks to the Olive Board. They have taken the initiative to start the English medium batch, right? So here is the foundation batch. We have launched it. So today is the launch day. So I am going to tell you what are we are offering in this batch. You will get the classes. Here you will get 300 plus live sessions for complete subject coverage for quant, reasoning, English, GK and GS. Second, from basic to advanced level. Yes, you will get the knowledge from zero to top level, right? Step by step, each and every concept, each and every logic will be covered systematically and in a very precise manner, right? And clear-cut manner, right? And this will be available 24/7 access to the recorded video and live session. If you are not able to attend the live session, you will get the video classes, and in the video classes we have added very important feature, that is doubt session. You can put your doubt in that window and you will get the answer within time, right? So next part is notes. Yes, really you will get the 300 plus download classes, notes in PDF format in a systematic manner. You will get the notes, quick revision you can done through that notes. Again, very important, that is the test part. We cannot ignore that, right? So you will get 50 tests for SSC CGL Tier 1, including 75 tests for SSC CGL Tier 2, right? So 50 plus past previous year papers, you will get the mock test, you will get PYQ, you will get each and everything which is required for the preparing for the exam, right? So the important part is that the batch is going to start from 13th of September 2024. So we are moving to the Kapil sir. Yes, Kapil sir. Anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you have marked, thank you so much, Vipin sir and Shefali ma'am. I would love to mark the initial part that you have already marked just at a glance. 300 plus live classes, concepts with PYQ. Every teacher will be putting the best they can. They've been taking classes at YouTube and they are quite easily available, but they are in English, I should say. Sir and ma'am, would love to ask you something. What about those students who want to have some classes in English and they want to grab those free classes on YouTube? Is there some availability for those who want free classes on YouTube, for example, as a demo for this English medium course? That means some classes that are going to be totally in English. Anything about them? Oliveboard has suggested or made something such?
Definitely, we have some surprise for English medium student, and for that particular part, you have to stay tuned on the channel for tomorrow. Actually,
Thank you, ma'am. And that is going to be honestly a very big surprise for all of you.
yes.
My message has two concepts. The first one was we take free classes on YouTube channel that is, I think, well known to all of you. That is SSC Coaching by Oliveboard. In Hindi, in English, I should say, not just Hindi, in English, I should say. But now something is there for all of you. There you'll be getting free classes, not only in Hindi, but also in English, I should say. That is going to be, I think, revealing those secrets. That is going to be totally for those we are promoting this batch here. English to English classes on YouTube as well, you'll be getting. Just stay connected. You'll be getting all these things tomorrow. That is the big surprise. Let me mention something about the course Vipin sir has already marked. That's the batch schedule that you'll be getting, not only just English in detail. For example, if I talk about myself, that's the introduction to English, some of the nuances, the basics, the noun part 1, noun part 2, noun part 3, and the practice session. That means you will have every topic from basic to advanced, after which you'll be getting the practice session of that just one topic. So you'll be getting some grab, some hold on that topic individually. When all the topics finish, you will grab miscellaneous questions. You will get sample papers from our side. That means you'll be getting all the questions all together, just like we appear in examinations. And not just only for English, for reasoning, for GA and GS, for mathematics, you'll be getting all such syllabus. You can watch this through the course link. Everything is available in the description box. You can go through that and just grab it. Something such I would love to mark from my side. That's the syllabus. That's the syllabi, I should say. That means all the syllabus is available here, because the plural of syllabus is not syllabuses, it's syllabi. Something interesting I would love to mark from my side to everyone watching it live, everyone watching it later, is if you grab this course only, Vipin sir has marked already the price. I think that was 1019 at the beginning. Can use the code SSC team to grab 49% off. Price hike is coming soon, so that may be a little dearer in the upcoming days, but right now it's available at 1019 at flat, I should say, almost 50% off. Something, please listen. If you buy this course only, you'll be getting just one course, 175 tests with a validity of 1 year. That's impressive. I will personally say this is impressive. 1 year validity. Exams covered is going to be SSC CGL. The cost is almost 50% off, so at just 1019, I would say. If you grab SSC Super Elite subscription, in which you will be getting not just 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, not 10 or 20, more than 25 plus courses, I must say all the courses that have started and all the courses that are going to start will all be covered in this SSC Super Elite subscription. You'll be not only getting just 175 these mock tests, but also 75 plus extra. Validity is going to be the same for 1 year, and the examinations are going to be, I should say, across SSC, all of them, not just CGL Tier 1, Tier 2, CPO, CHSL, SSC stenographer, MTS, GD, and every examination, I would say, conducted by SSC at just the price of 3199, but that's not the original cost. It will be at 50% off, almost 50, differs from sale to sale, at just 1568. So I personally recommend, if one is willing to grab SSC, I should say any examination conducted by SSC, I suggest he can buy SSC Super Elite, in which he'll be getting not only this course, but also the other courses which have been started, which are going to start pretty soon. The difference is not less. It's 24 plus courses at almost the same amount, 475 plus tests. Validity is quite the same, 5 different examinations, but not only Tier 1, but also Tier 2, at just 500 rupees. So that is, in my opinion, quite beneficial for everyone who is willing to buy this course. You can, but we suggest you buy Super Elite subscription, in which you'll be getting much more content at pretty less price available here. There are some other courses from our side one can grab if they want those as well. This is a English one, clearly marked out there, for SSC CGL Tier 2. This is a crash course, Laksh 1. This is for CGL Tier 2, the English medium one. I repeat, if you grab SSC Super Elite, this will already be available for all of you here. This is, I repeat, the English medium one for CGL Tier 2. That's going to be a crash course right now. We have this SSC CGL Mega Pack as well, in which if you enroll, you'll be getting all the things for CGL examination only. And Tier 1, Tier 2, typing tests, mock tests, past PYQ, questions, solutions, and everything such, including the live classes. You can watch the recordings whenever you want, wherever you want. So if you're willing to appear in CGL only, can grab SSC CGL Mega Pack. This is the SSC Super Elite subscription. I wish ma'am says something about this. Ma'am, up to you, please.
Sure. Thank you so much, Kapil sir, again. So finally, as Kapil sir has already confirmed and already brief you that what is the SSC Super Elite and what is the meaning of Super Elite. So basically, if you are taking this or grabbing this Super Elite, each and every future course of SSC CGL will also include in this part. So finally, I guess here we have already covered the each and every detail of English medium batch. Here's a quick and final description of this SSC CGL foundation batch. So this is a foundation course. Make sure each and every concept will be covered by each and every faculty. You will get 300 plus live classes with a concept as well as previous year question. So go and check out the application and website for this particular course, and stay tuned on the SSC Coaching by oliveboard channel for English mediums student surprise, a little surprise actually.
Yes, and just for wait for single day or tomorrow, we are going to announce very important news for you. And I think probably Kapil sir said you will be getting the online free classes on YouTube, totally in English medium. Okay, so
Over to Kapil sir.
over to
Sir, I
Kapil sir.
request you to, Vipin sir or Shefali ma'am, I request you to name the channel. So if somebody is looking for that channel, he can search, he can subscribe if he himself wants to. Can we have the
Yes.
name of the channel, please?
Yes, sir. So the name of the channel is SSC Coaching English Medium by Oliveboard.
SSC
subscribe the
Coaching
channel,
English
everyone.
Medium by Oliveboard. That's
Yes,
the new
go and
channel.
subscribe the channel and share it. Okay.
So before we finish, would love to say something about the faculty available in this course. All of those have giant experience, if I say, in terms of the experience. They'll be putting their expertise the best they can. They have been putting this for last 6 months or so. If one is comfortable in English, he can grab the classes on YouTube and can feel the difference what content he gets or will be getting in the courses, the paid ones. If somebody can teach for free such, what about the paid courses? You can easily assume. Apart from this, I wish to mention we have another channel for railways, and there is this combined subscription if one is willing to grab SSC plus Railway Super Elite, in which you'll be getting not only the access for SSC examinations, also the railway ones. So if somebody is willing to grab this one, can also get this for, I think, less than 2,000 rupees. Not only SSC, but also Railway Super Elite subscription will be available. And yes, the same way we have English medium classes and we have Hindi medium classes also here. In general, the English medium ones all available here. That's all we had in this series. If you have any objection, any query, any question, any doubt, can mark right now live. We'll be happy to answer. If there is something you watch this later and find difficult, you can drop in the comment section. We'll be available to answer that as well. And stay tuned for tomorrow for the big surprise that we have indirectly marked. But yes, would love to see you out there on that channel as well. Thank you so much. That's all I had from my side. Looking forward to seeing you in the classes, because for a major portion of this nation, we have had from our childhood, if I say, that India has unity in diversity. There are many different languages, there are many different people, custom, religions, etc. And honestly, I agree that not everyone is comfortable in Hindi. So this is, I repeat, beneficial for those who are from South India and for those who want to learn English and all the other subjects in English. Would love to see you in the classes. Thank you so much from our side. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.